The upgraded version of Redmi Book 14 not only brings many major upgrades, such as screen, performance, craftsmanship, and smart interconnection, but also strives to create a nearly perfect with excellent cost performance and light and powerful for professionals and students. The 14-inch thin and light notebook and also created a new standard in the $570 notebook industry. As a new benchmark in thin and light books, the appearance of Redmi Book 14 can be described as outstanding. It adopts an aluminum alloy body design, and the brand new mold design and technology bring a strong sense of quality. At the same time, the refined body is decorated with rounded corners, which is among the thin and light notebooks of the same gear in the industry. In addition, the rear end of the screen adopts an integrated hinge design, which improves the rigidity of the body while making it more refined and more advanced. With the blessing of the new technology, the body of Redmi Book 14 weighs only 1.37 kilograms and is as thin as about 15.9 millimeters. The compact body design provides users with a highly portable experience, and it can be easily put into the bag when going out. Burden. More importantly, further breakthroughs at the technological level have enabled the screen of this thin and light notebook to support 180 degrees opening and closing, and can be designed flat, fully compatible with meeting scenes and office scenes. Now that the screen is mentioned, it has to be said that one of the core highlights of the Redmi Book 14 is the excellent quality of the screen. In terms of specifications, the Redmi Book 14 is equipped with a 14-inch high-brush primary color screen, with a screen-to-body ratio of 88.96%, with a 16:10 golden ratio, and a 100% sRGB ultra-wide color gamut, bringing users an excellent real look and feel. At the same time, the 2880x1800 ultra-high-definition resolution makes the display effect very fine, and the 120Hz refresh rate can also be amazing, and the brightness of 300 nits lumens makes the screen clear and bright, and also makes users not afraid of the direct sunlight brought by the screen. In terms of interfaces, the left side of the Redmi Book 14 is equipped with a full-featured Thunderbolt 4 interface, an HDMI interface, a USB-A interface, and a 3.5mm headset jack, which can meet charging, fast transmission, and external displays. User needs. In addition, the right side of the laptop has two USB-A ports, which meet the needs of mainstream applications. During the test, the score is quite gratifying. First of all, at the basic information level, Redmi Book 14 is equipped with the 12th generation Intel Core i7-12700H mobile processor, 16GB LPDDR5 high-frequency dual-channel memory, and 512GB solid-state hard drive. The 5200Hz high-frequency memory has indeed improved the performance a lot. So, how is the performance? For users who use notebooks for graphics creation, this must be good news. Redmi Book 14 has excellent multi-core CPU performance. The scores in Cinebench R15 are single-core 251, multi-core 2302, R20 single-core and multi-core scores are 661 and 5248 respectively, and R23 are 1751 and 11388 respectively. The PC Mark X Advanced Edition test score reached 6105 points, of which the commonly used basic functions reached 10,911 points, and the productivity was as high as 7688 points. Under the Geekbench 5 test standard, the 12th generation Core i7-12700H has a single-core score of 1680 and a multi-core score of 11504, which is a greater improvement in multi-core performance than the previous generation. Finally, in terms of battery life, the Redmi Book 14 uses a 56 Wh large capacity battery and is equipped with a 100 watts GaN USB-C power adapter that supports fast charging technology. The measured time required to fully charge 50% is only 35 minutes. In addition, we use PC Mark X to test the battery life of its office applications, and the results are gratifying. It can maintain an ultra-long battery life of 7 hours and 50 minutes, ensuring an all-day office application experience. In addition, with the upgrade of the conference system, the hardware has also been improved. It is equipped with 2 watts dual speakers and supports professional Dolby panoramic sound effects. What I have to say is that Redmi Book 14 has passed a dual certification of Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, which is unique in the industry at the price of $570. To be honest, judging from the test results, although it is the 12th generation Core i7-12700H processor, after tuning, the performance release of Redmi Book 14 is amazing. Many CPU test items including Cinebench R15, R20, R23 and Geekbench 5 have surpassed the 13th generation Core i7-13700H processor, coupled with the LPDDR5 high-frequency memory test results have reached the ceiling. Redmi Book 14 does not, it's like a product that sells for only $570. Not only that, relying on the 2.8K ultra-high-resolution screen and nearly 8 hours of battery life, Redmi Book 14 is definitely the first choice for professionals and students, so there is no need to hesitate. The current price of Redmi Book 14 has been announced. The initial price of the i5 version is $570, while the initial price of the i7 version is $685. There are two colors of Starlight Silver and Star Gray, and it will be officially released on May 23rd. Of course, the author most recommends buying the i5 version. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon.